2016 Ford F-150. Let's see if we can get this stupid ass stretch belt on. Put a zip tie right here. Put the belt on the AC. And it's on the rib where it has to be. And then yeah, we're just gonna pull the crank, I guess. Definitely not enough space, but we'll try. Fuck, and I my fucking finger. Got it on there, but then it don't pop out. Alright, bet. So when it pops off of this mofo, you just fucking push this belt in and crank it, and it should slip all the way in. And that's it. If you're doing it on the floor, you gotta get under the car like this. That's it. One broken finger later, and she's on. Oh, I still gotta fix it right there though. Cranked a couple more times. On all the way, it's on all the way. That's it.